Right, welcome to AI Sales Funnels. In this, I'm going to show you an overview of how you build out sales funnels, which are highly effective. They will convert a lot higher. You will generate leads on autopilot using AI. Just for context, my name is David Tainch. I run an AI agency. So, what are AI-driven sales funnels? These are sales funnels that are fully automated. They will do lead generation and nurturing. They will use AI to target and score leads automatically. They will integrate with your CRM tools like Salesforce, Pipedrive, HubSpot, and they're going to reduce the manual work and improve efficiency. How does AI automate lead gen and follow-ups? Right, you can capture leads 24/7 and put them into a chatbot service called VoiceFlow. VoiceFlow is one of the best chatbot platforms going, and what you can basically do is you can automate your lead nurturing, etc. using it. You can then push the lead into something like HubSpot or ActiveCampaign, and you then have an automated email sequence and workflow. And this will create automatic follow-ups triggered by behavior. So basically the workflow will be the lead will enter, the AI will qualify them, and the CRM will get updated to start whatever automation, or if you're going to have someone ring them, whatever. So what are the benefits over traditional sales methods? You're going to get higher lead volume and faster follow-up. Predictive scoring prioritizes high-value prospects. Personalized messaging improves conversions. So for workflow example, the AI is going to track the user, then it will trigger an email or a chat, and then the sales team will get notified. But this is all automated, okay? So let's think of some real-world examples. Agencies, if you run an agency, you can set this up for people and you can double your leads in days. The close rates improve massively with AI-driven personalization. So let's have a look at a case example. AI chatbot to automated email workflow equals revenue increase. So the tools we're really going to be using here are VoiceFlow, which is chatbot. Make.com is a automation platform for workflows, and it's basically that's going to hold all of your pieces of software together. We've got HubSpot, we've then got your CRM integrations. So we're going to use AI chatbots for lead capture. Chatbots will qualify leads automatically. Again, we're going to use VoiceFlow for that. So what you could do is you could have a little chatbot sit there and say, what is your budget? And the person will sit there and say the budget, and then it will sit there and tell them, hey, that's a little bit too low for us, sorry. Or it will book them into an appointment. So it's going to ask qualifying questions, then book into an appointment or collect info. And you integrate this with your CRM using Make.com. So the workflow: visitor, chatbot, leads captured, CRM updated. AI-powered landing pages and forms. Smart landing pages adapt based on visitor behavior. Auto fill fields and predictive forms. This is one of the best things you can do. If you have predictive forms already done, I have them on my site. So someone basically goes into the checkout, it's got their credit card details there, everything, they enter their CV2 number, bang. Tools we can use for this are Unbounce, HubSpot forms, Make.com integrations. Process: form submission, leads scored, follow-up triggered, okay? But the main thing what we're doing on that one really is we're looking at these forms that are pre-filled. So that basically the person gets there, they don't have to put in any of their details, stuff like this. We want as less work by the person coming in, the lead, as possible. CRM integrations. Lead syncs automatically with Salesforce, Pipedrive, or HubSpot, depending on which one you use. AI assigns leads, scores, and updates records. Workflow: it's going to capture the lead. We're going to then put it into Make.com. Make.com will pass it over to the CRM, sales rep notified, okay? Reduce manual entry and improve data accuracy. Improving lead quality. You can get AI to filter out low-value leads automatically. We then score these based on engagement, behavior, and demographics. What tools can we use this? HubSpot AI, Salesforce Einstein. Process: lead enters, AI scores, high-value leads flagged for follow-up. AI-driven email sequences. We're going to automate the drip campaigns with AI personalizations. We can use HubSpot, ActiveCampaign, I never can pronounce this, claviole, whatever, triggered by behavior. So we have some type of behavior that's going to be the trigger. AI will send a tailored content message to them. We then track the engagement. Personalized content with AI, tailor message to behavior, demographics, and lead score. So we can use HubSpot, Clay.com. Clay.com is one that probably is massively popular at the moment. And Clay.com can personalize stuff on there because you can go and generate huge databases, very specific to various categories or whatever. So you kind of know, okay, this person's into that, this person's got that tech stack, etc. And you can then email them with highly personalized message. AI analyzes behavior, sends relevant email message, you track the response. So segmenting leads dynamically, all updates, audience segments, AI updates audience segments automatically. So say someone comes in, they go and change their behavior, they do something like that. You can have all that monitored, so it then tags them, sends out. And you do that in HubSpot, Active Campaign, CRM segmentation, which that's basically what you're going to do. So the process here is lead activity. So say they go and do something, they go and that they watch a webinar on something, that will then, AI will then reassign that, put them into a new segment. And then it will trigger personalized sequence. Use predictive analytics. AI predicts which leads are most likely to convert. Tools: Salesforce, Einstein, HubSpot predictive lead scoring. Process: collect data, AI analyzes, score leads, sales team prioritizes. AI recommendations to increase close rates. AI suggests next actions for sales reps. So tools: HubSpot, Salesforce, Einstein. Right, you have the lead behavior. AI recommendation. The sales rep will execute it, right? So like, say you've got someone in Salesforce and they're in part of the pipeline, what you can do is you can move them depending on their behavior. So say someone is, and you can do this automatically, and then the sales rep will get notified by this. So you can sit there and say, and it will integrate straight away with Salesforce. It will sit there and say, right, this person's behavior's changed. You got them in the pipeline, it may move them over. Do you kind of see what I mean? So then you don't have to be constantly moving over your pipeline. Automated follow-ups and reminders. AI schedules and sends follow-up email messages automatically. Tools: VoiceFlow, Active Campaign, Make.com. Workflow: lead triggered, AI sends message, CRM updated. Okay, so this is all really like what we're really trying to look at is we're going to be monitoring users as they're going along the website or they're integrating with content, and then we can basically move them for the follow-ups and stuff like that. So say someone does a certain behavior, we can then sit and say, right, they've done this, we're now going to like have this type of follow-up, etc. Tailored offers and discounts. AI personalizes offers based on lead profile. Tools: HubSpot, Active Campaign, CRM, custom fields. Workflow: predictive scoring. AI selects best offer. Lead receives personalized deal. So this is if what we're really looking here is, say someone goes again, that they go and perform an action, we can actually create a special offer and discount to get them to buy. Integrating AI insights into AI strategy. Use AI dashboards to monitor leads, conversions, ROI. So tools: HubSpot Analytics, Salesforce, Einstein, Clay.com. So what we will be doing in here is we have AI insights, right? This is really where we're looking at someone and we've got some type of dashboard in HubSpot Analytics, Salesforce, Einstein, etc. We can then adjust the sales strategy for that person and then optimize the funnel. You kind of see what I mean? Expanding into new audiences. AI identifies lookalike audiences. Tools: Facebook Meta Ads, AI, Google Ads, AI, HubSpot targeting. We analyze current leads. AI finds similar prospects. Ads email delivered. Okay, so that's really, creating lookalike audiences, but we can do it a lot better than just how we're doing it. Managing increased traffic. AI handles higher lead volume without extra staff. Voice flow can handle 80% of your support tickets and basic sales. So then you just put all your staff working on the high ticket sales. We have CRM automation, make.com workflows, lead enters, AI routes and qualifies, CRM updates automatically. AI automating customer onboarding. This is one of the best things you can do. If you have, what you can do is you get make.com, nan.io, which nan.io is another type like make.com, and you get that to basically watch Salesforce, Pipedrive, whatever. Then the moment the person becomes a customer, their status will change. Make.com and nan.io will watch that, and they will then initiate an onboarding sequence. This could be an email, it could be getting them to sign a DocuSign form, etc. A whole lot of things. And that happens the moment they click the button. Streamlining processes, automate repetitive workflows to scale efficiently. Tools, make.com, Zapier, HubSpot workflows. Process, AI triggers or automated tasks. Sales team focus on high value work. This is what I was saying earlier. You really want to be getting AI to do 80% of your bulk low level stuff, right? The stuff that is routine. Do not be doing that yourself. You want all your sales and support doing the heavy lifting with the bigger people. AI for churn prediction, upsells, updated scoring tools, Salesforce, Einstein, HubSpot AI. You can lower your churn so easy with AI. We then have data collected, AI update scoring, funnels adjusted. Upgrading tools and technology, integrate new AI tools for enhanced performance. Tools, voice flow updates, new CRM modules, make.com integrations. Process, tool updates, automation workflows enhanced, funnel optimized. Leveraging customer feedback, train AI on feedback for improved personalization and engagement. So you want to look surveys, HubSpot feedback forms, clay.com. We collect feedback, AI updates recommendations, funnel refined. Staying ahead of AI trends. Monitor industry trends to keep, you really want to be monitoring all the AI newsletters, stuff like this, websites, tools, AI news, webinars, tool updates, and you've got to have the process you want to learn from the stuff, then start integrating and optimize. This is basically how you want to be what you want to look at to do AI sales funnels. If you need any help with this, check around in the comments and there should be a place where you can contact me, stuff like this. But I just wanted to give you an overview with this video of what you can do with AI sales funnels.